In the previous video, we turned all of our thumbnail designs into fully editable templates. Now in this episode, we're gonna create something just as important, a landing PDF page with a clickable button that you'll use when listing your digital product on Gumroad. The purpose of this page is simple. When buyers purchase your thumbnail pack, they need an easy way to access their own editable copies. Instead of sending messy links, you can deliver a clean, downloadable PDF with a button that instantly takes them to their purchase template. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. After all your thumbnails are converted into editable templates, head over to your Canva homepage and on the left-hand panel, click Create. Now choose a canvas format. I usually go with the 4x5 Instagram post format, so let's click on that one. Once you have your blank canvas, head over to Elements on the left-hand panel and in the search bar type Button. Choose any button style you like, preferably one that allows you to customize the color so it matches your branding. After adding the button, resize it and place it right at the center of your page. Next, go to Text on the left-hand panel and add a heading. Double-click the text box and type in a strong call to action phrase like "click here," "access your templates," or anything else you prefer. Now you can start customizing the page, change the text color, font style, effects, and even the background. You can also add extra instructions above the button, include arrows to guide attention, and don't forget to place your logo if you have one to make everything look more professional and branded. Once you're done designing the page, it's time to make the button clickable. Head back to your thumbnail templates in the other tab, click Share, and then select the button that says Template Link. Generate the link, click Copy, and return to your PDF landing page. Now select both the button and the text attached to it, then paste the template link by clicking Ctrl+V. This will attach the clickable link directly to your button. To test everything, click Share and download the page as a PDF standard, since this is the file your buyers will receive digitally. Open the PDF file after downloading and click on the button. If everything works correctly, it should instantly open the page where buyers can access and edit their purchased thumbnail templates. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to create a clickable PDF landing page that professionally delivers your editable thumbnail templates to buyers through Gumroad. If you want to learn how to properly upload and list this digital product for sale on Gumroad, stay tuned and watch the next part, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.